Okay, so I said I would give an update on our bag of bugs. This is those Japanese beetle traps. Some people love them. Some people say, oh, don't do it because it's just going to attract more Japanese beetles. But we had such a problem last year, I figured it can't get any worse. This year, we definitely have them, which is obvious by what's in the bottom of this trap. And I do still have to go out in the garden on a regular basis with my little squirt bottle with a little bit of Dawn dish soap, squirt the bugs, and then, well, it's just water with a little bit of Dawn dish soap, squirt the bugs, and it kills them. But it is not nearly the amount, I don't think, as we had last year. So I bought 2 different types of traps. They both look almost identical. In fact, I think the tops are pretty much identical, maybe slightly different. And this one, I don't remember the brand of it. I will put links in the text area. They both seem to work. This one has a dual lure. So the way this works, those little lures has a scent that the Japanese beetles love. This has a dual lure, so there's 2 different kinds. The other trap just has this kind here, which is a little sticky thing. I don't know what you call it. But you can see it lures them in. They try to get to the trap. They fall down in the bag because they're really dumb, I guess. And then they can't get out and they die. Then I have been taking a trap, dumping it in a bucket of water, and the chickens absolutely love it and they come have a snack. Kind of gross, but it works. I am pleased. I think it's a thumbs up for us, and we'll probably be doing it again. So let me go show you the other one too, and I'll show you the chickens having a snack as well. Okay, so my duck likes it too. I'm a little concerned. She keeps going down to the ground with it. I hope she's not letting those buggers go. Surely not. All right, come on, chickens. Chick, 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 chick. They're over there. They don't know what I'm doing. When I go over to where my other trap is, those guys come running because they know what to expect. This is a new spot. Come on, sassy pants. Yeah, bring the girls. Come on, chick, 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 chick. There you go. No, that's for the babies. Come on, guys, get a snack. You better come get it. She's gonna get it all gone. So that white rooster there, his name is Sassy Pants. Okay, let's go see if the chicks like it. There's the girls enjoying a snack of Japanese beetles that I just dumped out of that bag up in the tree. It's gross, but they love it. And it gets rid of my Japanese beetles. I might take them a little bit to see if they like it, because they're a little unsure. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Get it. It's good. No, Mama, don't go in there. I sat here for about, not even 5 minutes. And they're gradually getting it. Yummy stuff. Come and get it. I think they like it. Our rooster's a big chicken. Have a great day.